Get ready for an insightful and dynamic session. Please join me in welcoming Trent Gillespie.
AI isn't an IT project, it's a leadership one. It's not another tool rollout or a CRM upgrade. It's a complete rewiring of your business. What I decided was I would leave Amazon and help smaller businesses try to take advantage of the same tools that Amazon and big tech have to make those businesses successful. You're going to unlock innovation across your entire organization and give your people purpose to be builders of the future instead of bystanders. Agents are how you're going to be able to scale your work with AI. In the future, everybody is going to be a manager of AIs. And not just to write emails, but to become the primary interface to your workday. Let's take a walk through of how this is actually going to be. To be effective with AI in your company, you need to build the right foundation. And at Amazon, we use the framework of the future customer. And so we would ask ourselves, what will our future customers want 5 years from now? And then we'd work backward from that future. And that's how we reinvented industries and created things like Alexa and Amazon Kindle. I've come up with a framework. It's called the AI Sprint. And what this is first, it's the rhythm, it's the discipline to use AI in your organization because it is an actual race. It's an acronym. What it stands for is Spark Action with Leader Education. Position your company to win with AI, rally your employees to use AI daily, integrate it into your sales and marketing processes, enable your employees to build a culture of AI and innovation, and then trailblaze with new offerings that create growth. I've now used this many different times in different companies, and it works. It's straightforward. It's 6 steps that will reinvent your company. Now, as those employees who say they use AI every single day are reporting about a 20% improvement in productivity and a better quality of work. And so this is your first competitive edge. Use AI daily, and that's true for leaders and every employee. Spark new ideas, create growth, reinvent your processes, invent new products and services, and create jobs in your communities. You've got the best opportunity to do this and the best tools that humans have ever invented. And it is your moment.